The brokers, for example, like N1C, who have a current standing relationship with MetaQuotes, they have confirmed they're not going to be getting rid of MetaQuotes. And even if there is an update, they will continue to update with MT4 or MT5 as net needed. Same thing with Ox. They're not white label and they are regulated. So in theory, they should maintain their regulation and their relationship with their purchased license agreement of MetaQuotes. N1C went as far as to show me their purchase license agreement with MetaQuotes. It is different kind of level of business. If that is correct, something like Hero, which again, I like Hero, and Hugo's Way, just so we're all on the same page, I loved Hugo's Way. I love them as a broker. We know that Hero and Hugo's are both using off-brand versions. The only reason why I'm not going to go more heavily into Hero is because it doesn't link to any of the social trading tools, the Traders Connect, and because it's off-brand MetaQuotes, which for the majority of people listening into this right now, that is totally fine. You don't need anything more. You don't have to link it to your prop firms and your C Trader, Ninja Trader, Trade Locker, blah, 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 blah. So you're probably just fine on Hero or on Hugo's, for example. And those are both great brokers, and I would still maintain those relationships with that off-brand MetaQuotes. But for those of you who are looking to grow, looking to link to prop firms, you might want to consider revamping some of your broker relationships to ones that you know are a little safer in terms of future relationships with MetaQuotes. And the only way you can do that is confirm to what I've been told recently, is to confirm that they are not white label and that they have their own license agreements with MetaQuotes.